Here, squirrel. Come here. He knows his name. Yeah. What? Squirrels are easier to train than cats.
You do that. The cat either just look at you and ignore you, or they
Yeah.
go away. Coming up front.
Yeah. You can train a squirrel in 15 minutes. Good squirrel. You're a good squirrel. I just can't believe it.
Yeah. He likes you. And all the other ones are just going down in the hole there and putting them down.
He says, I'm going to have all the fun to myself with
Yeah.
these funny-looking people. Doesn't want the water, though.
No. I didn't want to put in a regular dish because I thought they might drown themselves.
Yeah.
So I wanted something real shallow.
Just going to sit there all calm.
Yeah.
You go for a run?